I have woke up in the morning. Now I'm making my breakfast. As you can see, my breakfast is getting ready. I'm gonna eat eggs and tea in the morning. Okay. After that, I'm going to be ready. So I'll meet you after finishing my breakfast. Till then, wait here and watch my entire vlog. My breakfast is over, but I crossed the old limit of being late on the work. It's 9:35. I have arrived on the work on 9:35. Let's see what's our plan for today. So our plan is for today, we will join this dome with each others. That's our plan for today. Hope we can accomplish this work till evening. Guys, do you wanna see the train again? Okay, I'm going to show you the train. You can see, oh my god, this train going on very fast. Wow. Oh, this train is very long. I was in the lunch. Almost my lunch is over. But you know, I have some urgent work in the market. I want to bring some material for the site. So now I'm going to the market. By the way, you can see there is no one. So now I'm going to the market. I'll buy welding glasses. Then let's go. I'm standing here at the edge of road. This is not particular auto stand. I think our auto rickshaw is coming. Oh, he stopped the auto rickshaw. Let's ask him. उधर जाना चंगोदर से आगे जिंजर होटल. होटल? जिंजर जिंजर. जिंजर का आगे? हाँ हाँ. कितना पैसे लोगे? So right now I can sit down in auto rickshaw. As you can see, I love auto ride, as I told you in my many previous vlogs. So right now I'm going and enjoying different views from the auto rickshaw. This is Flourish International Hotel. My destination is just 3 or 4 kilometers away from the company. It's not long difference between company or hardware shop. Yeah, I'm going on hardware shop. There is a bridge of train. So finally I'm at my destination. But before that I have to cross the road, and it's really difficult challenge for me because here is very traffic on the road. I need to go to over there. Oh my god, you can see the trucks and cars are continuously coming. Can I cross the road this time? No. I'm still feeling scared. I told you this is biggest challenge for me. But this time I'm going to do this challenge, and this time I can. Yeah, finally I did it. One more task. One more task. The trucks and cars are continuously coming. I think I have to wait 2 or 3 minutes here. Then I'll cross the road. Oh my god. I'm between the highway road. I can get stuck. But don't worry. I'll get out from here quickly. Finally, I crossed the road after 5 minutes later. Now I have to move to the hardware shop. The hardware shop is over there. I think I get off little bit back. I purchased the old material, as you can see in my hand. Now I'm going to the company, but before that I want to drink something such as juice or coconut water. And one day, oh my god, honking. I think this is the parking of auto rickshaw. Therefore, in the entire line, the auto rickshaw is parking. I'm about to reach at the fruit center. By the way, you know, I passed it through this flyover. I'm about to reach just in few minutes. Here is the market of rural area. No, this is not rural area. This is developed area. Finally, I'm here on the shop of coconut water. As you can see, एक नारियल पानी दे देना. Whenever I visit this market, I always drink coconut water here because this man selling coconut water in appropriate rates. He's providing me good price. So I'm gonna drink coconut water. As you can see, I'm taking long breath. I have tired. Now he's gonna prepare. He will cut the coconut. After that, he gonna install a pipe for drinking. Coconut water always gives me eternal energy. I can beat anyone after drinking coconut water. So here is my coconut water in my hand. Bismillah. Wow, amazing. I love coconut water. By the way, he has multiple types of fruits. He has guava, orange, apple, bananas, different type of fruits. So now I'll meet you after drinking this coconut water because I'm getting late for my work. I have to finish it quickly. This uncle comes to me to ask about my camera. He is asking me about my camera. What is this? I said this is my camera. This camera is very mini, therefore people are very excited to know. They are surprised. I have done my old work. Now it's time to catch auto rickshaw. I think auto rickshaw is coming. No, there is no auto rickshaw. I think I have to wait here until the auto rickshaw comes. Nova. So finally I took auto rickshaw. Now I'm going to my destination. Yeah, as I told you, I have been late, but it's gonna take very less time. Let's enjoy our journey. This is a clothing store. You know, the clothes are very cheaper here compared to my state. He got one more passenger and he sat down in the rear seat of the auto. I wanted to sit in the rear seat of auto rickshaw, but I missed that opportunity. So finally I have arrived on my destination. Now it's time to pay the fare. Here you go. So I got my change back. Thank you. Now it's time to complete one more task. Again. Oh my god. This is most scary experience I'm getting in my life. I never crossed any highway like this before in my life. I'm back in the company. I really enjoyed this experience. Wow. It was really amazing, difficult and challenging. Alright, so let's provide this material to the team members. The time is 7:26 in the night. You can see it's getting dark outside. Look here, look out from the window. We are going to work late night because we have work pressure. I'm not appearing in the night in my camera. My uncle is working here. The time gonna be 9 p.m. in the night. I think okay, you know, he's fresher in this line, so today he become welder. His name is Ayan Ali. What's your name?
What is this name? Mohammed Shafi.
Okay, so he's doing welding. As you can see, he's become welder for a day. He isn't perfect. He will be one day if he work continuously. So now I think I should end my blog here. If you enjoyed my blog, then subscribe, hit the bell icon. Okay, till then, okay, bye.